As we grow older, we start to experience aches and pains in our bodies. However, exercising regularly can help our bodies remain strong and healthy well into our later years. When you do experience pain, you may reach for pain relievers or seek out alternative therapies such as acupuncture. But many people fear needles, and reflexology and acupressure offers an alternate path to pain relief. Acupressure is non-evasive and was developed over 5,000 years ago. It follows the same pressure points as acupuncture, but uses precise finger placement and pressure instead of needles. Here is a diagram outlining all of the pressure points found in your hands so that you can try it out yourself. When you experience body pain, it's helpful to seek out therapies that work for you. Acupressure offers an alternative approach worth trying. For more information, visit a naturopath today and discuss how acupressure can help you. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe for more great videos. Thanks for being awesome!